Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace a battery on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently take out the back cover by holding the fingerprint button. Next, pull out the logic board frame by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug by moving the fingerprint button. Next, release the adhesive on the bottom of the battery. Next, fold the graphite tape and secure it. Next, pull out the not working battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue under the battery, and then use a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, gently pull out the battery from the body. Next, place and secure the new battery with adhesive. Next, place and secure the graphite tape. Next, secure the tape on the bottom. Next, connect the battery plug and then place the fingerprint button. Next, secure the board frame by adding 8 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.